So we got potatoes in the bucket this year. These were some potatoes that I had in a bag that just been sitting and they were rooting, so I decided to throw them in this bucket here. I do have a larger container with potatoes in them, but as you can see, they're starting to bud up pretty good. So they're doing well. So we'll just keep these in here, and I'll keep these in here for emergency purposes. I won't even touch them. I'll keep going my grocery shopping and putting them in these pots and letting them grow, letting them accumulate, and yeah. So we won't touch them. We'll just let them sit there and grow, and see how much I can get out of just this one bucket. Because last time I tried to harvest them after they were getting to a certain height and certain time period, that I noticed that I actually harvested them too early. So this time I just want to just let it just sit there and grow, let it sit there and do its thing, and I'll wait probably the whole year before I even touch them, just to see how much I can get out of this one bucket, how many potatoes I can get out of this one bucket, and then I'll know, how many potatoes I can get each year from buckets. So yeah, I won't be touching this no time soon. It'll sit here and it'll ferment and grow and be nurtured with water and fertilizer and stuff like that. So yeah, y'all like that, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, comment. That way you stay in tune, and I can show you what you can do, give you the shortcuts, so that way you don't have to go through the struggle. So yeah, hit that thumbs up, give me a like, a subscribe, and let's farm.